Anybody got a prescription, yeah, for this love pain? Anybody got a pill I could pop for this love pain? Anybody got a...
Hello everyone, it's Keisha from Drink Coffee Make Stuff. Welcome to my channel. Today I am working in my mini size Happy Planner. And this is my July Start Planner, Peachy Painted. And I've got this little cover on it, so here it is. I am excited to get into the July section. So I am going to be planning for the week of June 28th through July 4th. All right. So let me go ahead and take these off of the disc. I don't know why I thought this week ended on the 3rd, but I forget. It's a Monday through Sunday layout. So I am going to go ahead. Well, let me tell you what I pulled. I pulled the Detailed Florals book. I kind of looked through it and saw some things I wanted to use in this book. So I will go ahead and speed the video up. And when I finish, I will be back. All right, guys, that's it. I'm gonna stop. I was looking for something, a quote to add here in this section, and maybe I'll just leave it as it is, but kind of like how this one turned out. So I am going to put it back on the disc so we can get a good look at it. All right, so that's it. If you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. And if you want to see more videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And until next time, happy planning.